Hello, my name is Arielle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been a longtime YouTube watcher, but I have never actually sat down and recorded a video of my own. So, with everything going on that is going on with COVID-19 right now, I thought it would be an interesting use of time to actually sit down and start to record some of my own experiences during this process and throughout my journey and to share it with people. And I thought it would be interesting to have something to look back on a few years from now and see where I was at and then how far I've come. A little bit of information about me. I will be starting medical school at a United States medical school this upcoming fall, and I'm actually really interested to see what that's going to look like with everything that is going on currently with COVID-19. I know that some schools have decided to move portions of their courses online for the fall already in areas that have been heavily impacted by COVID-19. I am not sure what my school is going to do yet, so stay tuned for that. I'm interested to see what ends up happening, and I think it requires a great deal of flexibility on everybody's part right now. So just stay motivated, stay flexible, and we'll get through this together. I mostly started this channel because I have spent almost every day since high school, since I was a high school student, um, watching YouTube channels and trying to get as much information as possible about getting into medical school, what it's like in medical school, the application process, how to successfully study for the MCAT. There are a multitude of steps on the path just to get into medical school, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. One of the biggest things that's helped me on my journey to gain acceptance to medical school and to be starting as a medical student is the individuals that have shared their experiences and have been open and honest about the process. I think that there's a lot of people who perhaps are more guarded about their experiences about going into medicine, medical school specifically, and other healthcare professions. And I think that it was helpful for me at least to see what other people did on certain steps of the journey and what they found helpful and what was not so helpful. So I figured that it could be helpful for some people to see what I've done and where it's gotten me, and to watch this process from the beginning. So I am really excited to start this channel, and I hope that I can help answer many different questions pertaining to going into healthcare, going into medical school, and everything in between. I am also hoping to post content related to more lifestyle things. I think that medical school is some people are so only focused on medical school, which, yes, it's an extremely demanding academic field and path to take. Although I think there's so much more than just medical school. I am hoping to not just be a medical student. I'm hoping to incorporate my role as a medical student into my everyday life as well. Please let me know if you have any specific questions in the comments below about applying to medical school, about the MCAT, about classes I took in college, pretty much anything. I am throwing around some ideas for future videos, but am open to any and all questions that anybody might have about the process. And I'm really excited to start this journey, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe if you would like to see future videos that I'll be posting about my journey to medical school, my journey through medical school, and everyday life. So thank you.